Have you ever avoided speaking up about something that you thought might be important to talk about, or perhaps avoided talking about the proverbial elephant in the room? I often wonder why we do that. I think if you're like me, it's probably because we're afraid that something might go wrong in that conversation. We might hurt somebody's feelings, or that maybe the status quo is better than rocking the boat. However, for me, I know that if I stop and think about what's the risk of not talking up, am I okay with the status quo or of not talking about the issue? And often the answer is no. There's a greater risk in not talking than there is in talking about the issue. And I've found that if I want to approach that issue that nobody's talking about, the best way to do that is to focus in on my positive intentions for having the conversation, naming those positive intentions, and then beginning. What's been your experience bringing up a difficult topic? Drop us a line or leave a comment below.